Okay guys, so I am absolutely obsessed with this house. This is 483 Blue Heron. I love it. I love this lot. Ooh, you guys, you have a view. We didn't see this when we walked in. You've got a view of the water over there. Maybe you guys did see it. But look, you can sit here and see the water. That's awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at this amazing cul-de-sac. So you come down Blue Heron here in Sea Trail and you end down this beautiful cul-de-sac. Oh, that water is so pretty over there at this gorgeous house here. So you're tucked away privately at the end of the cul-de-sac. You have no one to your right except for the golfers. Man, it's a beautiful day today. Look, isn't this amazing? You have all of this privacy. So pretty. It is super low maintenance. Look at all this greenery out front. It has a lot of greenery, but it's like super low maintenance. Look at just a tiny bit of grass out here, lots of pine straw. I don't think you need to water these plants much, even though I'm sure it's got irrigation. Look at these. Are these palms that were here? Pretty. I love this stone wall here with the white rock going around it. Really pretty. You've got your garage. Love those lights next to the garage. The foundation is nice and tall. Isn't it so pretty? Before we go on the porch, let's get another closer look here at the side yard. Love these palms. Look at that going up the tree. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my gosh. And the canopy of trees over here. Gorgeous. Look, this is where your propane tank is buried right there. Look at those roses. Got this little, what is this called? A pergola? I don't know. Is that what that's called? But look at this little, oh my, it's so pretty. This is where your tankless water heater lives out here. Again, that is powered by the propane. Really pretty. So you're on the golf course without any of the negative golf course things that you get. I don't think you have to worry about balls hitting your house. So pretty. You know what? I'm going to continue to go back into the backyard. I love that everything is so clean. Usually at this point, I am running into spider webs. So again, that section back there is it's all part of the golf course here. So no one can build directly behind you. There is a house over there and a vacant lot next to that house, but the property line for that vacant lot ends right around where that house is, and so all of this is going to remain private. Really pretty. And I think you definitely can put a pool back here. I'll look at the HOA guidelines and also see if the owners had plans for a pool before, and maybe they have a survey that has a pool platted. Really nice. Love these planters, and they have a little irrigation going to them. Really pretty. Okay, so let's go back around and continue to check out the inside of the house. I'll see you over there.
Bye.
Bye. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go up these beautiful steps. Oops, sounds like a golfer shanked it. So pretty. Okay, let's go take a look inside. Okay, so you come on in and look at this gorgeous light fixture up there. I'm so glad that you love this house like I do. Really is very nice. Get your tray ceiling on those tall, tall ceilings, these gigantic windows. Looking out into the backyard. Really, really nice. I love how the dining room is sort of offset through these stone columns. Really unique. Adds a lot of character that you don't find in some of these new construction houses nowadays. So this is the wine cooler that doesn't convey. Pretty light fixture. So a decent sized dining room. Let's go back through here and get a better look at this entryway. Okay. So this could be used as living or for your pool table like you were talking about. And then you come through into the kitchen. So the spaces are divided, but it's still really open at the same time, which I love. Little bay window here with a nice round table for a breakfast nook. Huge kitchen. You've got this sort of work area, beverage station over here. That little refrigerator there does not convey. You've got these pools. Aren't they cute? Love them. Very unique. They look expensive too. And then you've got this great big kitchen. Ooh, I didn't notice the corbels underneath there. Really pretty. I love the shape of the sink. Look, happy girls are the prettiest girls. It's got a Bosch dishwasher. Those are the quietest, I hear. I think we actually have a Bosch and it's pretty quiet. You've got your oven and a drop-in cooktop separate with a hood, and then you have your microwave over here by the refrigerator. This refrigerator does convey. Lots of cabinets. So you have cabinets that go around the corner here too. Nice. As you notice, these are not soft close. Here's your trash bin here next to the sink. You've got a little pantry cabinet over here and another little space. So the way they angled these cabinets to make use of all the space wisely is very smart. So that is the kitchen and dining nook. And then here you have this living area with the stone fireplace that actually has a hearth on it. It's not sitting on the floor. And again, this is a metal material, and it's got the corbels, and it's just attached there by those little wood pegs. Lots of windows in this space. The floor throughout here is tile, so super, super easy throughout this entire space, and then it goes onto those cherry hardwoods. Out here is access to the back porch. Really pretty, you guys. Okay, back through here. You have the stairway up, the bedrooms, the half bath there, the access from the garage, but let's head on over through here to the primary suite first. You have this nice entryway into the primary, so it's not right off of this living space. You have a nice coat closet there. And then this massive bedroom. Look how big this is. Love those bay windows. It's got the tray ceiling, double tray actually. And you've got all this natural light and a beautiful view. And you have access through these double doors into the backyard. So pretty. Lots and lots of space in this room. These are built-ins here that will remain. You've got a good sized closet here. It's not the biggest closet, but it does have some nice built-ins in there. You've got these little furniture pieces in here, which I'm sure those will go. I don't think those will stay. And then you have your primary bath. You've got your double sinks, your walk-in shower, the bench. This tub, it's really clean. That's awesome. Look at how massive that faucet is. Wow. So this is a big old tub. That's really pretty. Got your other vanity there. Ooh, look at the tile behind there. I just noticed that. That is really, really pretty. Look at this. Oh, I love that. I want to do tile in my bathroom behind the vanity. You've got a separate water closet there. And if you wanted to remove this table, you could, but it's big enough to accommodate. So really, really nice. Okay, back through here, let's check out the rest of the house. So off the kitchen, you have this great sized bedroom that they have set up as a seating area. It has access off to this balcony. It's not a balcony, it's a porch. Okay, so as we established, that is a Murphy bed, and it can be used as like a little desk area. But this is a great big space, high ceilings, The carpet looks new, and it has its own private bath in here. Tile floor. Shower tub combination. Ooh, it's got like the rounded shower rack, so you have more space in the shower, or shower rod, I should say. Linen closet. Lots of space in here. Okay. Back out into the hallway. Across the hall, you have this powder room tucked away for guests. Really pretty. You have this coat closet, or storage closet, I should say. You could actually make that into a pantry if you wanted to, if you needed more pantry space. And down the hall, you have a laundry room with a stackable washer and dryer. But those are full-size washer and dryer. They're just stacked. And those do convey. Look at the cute tile backsplash in here. I love it. Look at this cute window. You've got another pantry cabinet in here. Plenty of storage. And then across the hall from that, you have your third bedroom. And this is also a good size. Loving the color scheme in these rooms. Good size closet. Actually, that is a great size closet for a secondary bedroom. And this also has a private bath. So all 3 bedrooms have a private bath, which is great. Shower tub combination. Nicely done. Back through here. Before we go into the garage, you've got a coat closet off the garage. And then you have the garage with the hurricane door and nice tall ceilings, plenty of storage. As we talked about, the cabinets back there do not convey, but it does have a little slop sink over there and plenty of space, storage up high. Nice size garage. Okay, back down the hallway. Let's go check out the upstairs. So this truly is a bonus area. It does not have a bathroom up here, but you certainly could sleep someone up here, even though it doesn't have a door. But for overflow, like you mentioned, or it could just be a hangout space, could be an office, any of those things. Through here, you do have some storage. So you have some storage here, and you come around and you have a tiny bit of storage here, and access to the air handler, very easy. And that completes the tour. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'll see you at the next house. Bye.